With this video we're getting a little more sophisticated. All of the videos to date are now on YouTube and the links are here on the Word document. The website that we made, which was just from HTML documents, 6 documents, is hosted on this website. So if we look at that full screen, there it is running live from the web, public. The various pages are working. There's the YouTube link and the Word document, so you can get it from there. The video page. Now on the building page we added all of those images. We copied them direct from OneNote. So a little record of how we made the file. Now if we go into the actual file structure, we've got our assessments. We've got our 4 assessments for the year. This is the first assessment, the website, and in here we've got a basic website, which is that one, and we've got, now we're building a template website. We're going to look at a CSS website, style sheet website, and we're probably also going to look at a mobile phone website. These are some mistakes that I made. I haven't deleted them yet. I just put them at the bottom with a ZZ. Okay, so in our basic website we ended up with all of these files here sitting in our main file, which is just a little untidy. Still works, and the people who are viewing the site can't see what's behind the scenes, so it's not a big problem. But in this one we're going to tidy it up. Whoops, I don't want to go to case study, I want to go to the template website. Now here everything is moved. I had to rewrite it, create all the 6 pages from the template again. It's nice and neat. The template file is here. The actual site files are here. Now one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move that building page from the main file here into the images folder, so that when I paste this next time, all those image files will stay in here. So let's just have a look at where we're at with this file now. Oops, you're not supposed to see that yet. That's a bit of a surprise. Okay, let's go back here to Dreamweaver. In fact, if I refresh that, we'll get rid of it. Okay, there we are. Nice, boring site. Everything's clear. The building file, yeah, it's a little different. Right. Okay, now we can't make changes in the various files, as you know, but we can in the template file. You'll notice all these links are no longer direct. They go to a folder and then to a file, so that because the template file is actually outside, everything from the template has to reference that folder and then the file within this folder. Now I want to shift the building file into the images folder, and therefore I'm going to have to change the link. Watch how it changes. If I just check the folder here, I'm going to images and the building file, and we now go to the main file, images and building. Alright, the other thing we're going to do here is we're going to add that banner. The banner is something that you guys will create when you're working on the Flash files. So we're going to insert an image. It's Flash, but it's saved as a GIF file. Now for the blind people, we're just going to say this is a GIF banner, and it's sitting in here now. So we've got a couple of things that have changed. We've certainly got the banner in, and we've got the link changed. These other links are normal. Control S, and we have our 6 pages which need to update. Now you probably didn't notice before, none of those had asterisks. They all have asterisks, and so what I'm going to have to do, if I go direct to the website now and I refresh, F5, nothing has changed. But if I go back to Dreamweaver and I save all these files, Control S, we'll reload it, yeah. Control S, Control S, Control S, Control S, and Control S. Now this is going to be a problem because we moved it. Okay, so cancel. yes, I'm going to actually save this to the images folder and save. Already exists, it's override it. Update the links, yes. Alright, so let's see if that works. We may have problems with that. Alt tab, and let's update it. Our home, about me is working, video is working, games is working, building is working, and evaluation is working. It's all working fine. Alright, so the last thing I want to do now is come into the building file, and I want to now let's open OneNote. OneNote, see, it's come up on exactly the thing I was doing the other day. I might just log into the website. It's as simple as this. It remembers my name. You'll notice that it's synchronizing now. If I push F9, it'll synchronize all the workbooks that are here. Now this is already highlighted, so I'm just going to do Control C, copy all of that data back over to my website, and let's go into here, Control V, and it always seems to put it on the right hand side, and I'm not sure why. Okay, let's right click and align left, Control S. Let's go back over here, let's update this page, go to the building page, and there is all our content. So we can get quite rich content here. And let's look at our file structure. We've got all of the images for that in the image folder, nice and neat. Alright, that's all we need to know. That's a template file. It still does not have a style sheet. What happens now is every time we want to make a change, we can just use the automatic updating, and it saves all 6 pages rather than having to do it manually. Okay, so that's a function of Dreamweaver. It's the advantage of using a professional editor. This will be uploaded to that same website that you can see here, and so we'll be able to look at it live. Thank you for listening.